Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, uh, we will solve another problem. So in this video, we will learn how to use and or statements in Java. So let us read the problem statement. So let us take in X, Y, and Z as integer inputs from the user. So we have to take X, Y, and Z as a user inputs. So in the option A, if X is greater than or equal to 20 and Z is less than or equal to 100, then we have to add 200 to the value of Z. If X is greater than or equal to 10 or Y is less than 50, then add 100 to the value of Z. In the end, print the final value of Z as an integer output. So I hope you understand the problem statement. So let us write the code. So import java dot util dot star scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. So we have to take three inputs. Int x is equal to sc.nextInt, int y is equal to sc.nextInt, int z is equal to sc.nextInt. So we have taken three inputs. So then we have to follow the option A statement. So if x is greater than or equal to 20. So if x is greater than or equal to 20, and so and symbol is this thing. So and z is less than 100, and z is less than 100. Z is less than 100. Then we have to add z is equal to 100 plus z. So we are adding 100. So we are adding 100 to the user input which we give to the z variable. So we are just adding 100 to the z and storing the entire total value into the z value only. So the statement is finished. So we will use another else if statement. So if x is greater than or equal to 10, or symbol is this thing. So x is greater than or equal to 10 and y is less than 50. So then we have to add z is equal to 100 plus 10. So in the end, we have to print the z value. Simple problem. So I hope there is no errors. So let us run this program. So there is no errors. So the first statement is x. X should be greater than or equal to 20. So I am giving 21. And z. So z value should be less than 100. So I'm giving 50. Sorry. So y value I'm giving 50 and z value I'm giving 50. So see here. So x value is 21, y value is 50, and z value is 50. So x greater than or equal to 20. So it's satisfied. and Z less than 100. It's satisfied. So if both the conditions satisfied, then only the statement will be passed. Like the statement will be executed, and the executed, and the total value will be stored into the Z variable. If one of the condition fails, so then the statement will not be executed. So both the statements here, it is passed, so the statement will be executed. So value will be the 150. So Z value is 50, and I am adding 100. So 100 plus 50, 150. So let us run this program again. So X value should be 11. See here. Here the X value should be greater than 20. So this statement failed. So if one condition fails, so whole condition is failed. So here see, in the else if condition, so X should be greater than or equal to 10. So 11 is greater than or equal to 10, or Y is less than 50. So Y should be less than 50, but I'm giving 70 Y value, and Z value is 10. See here. So anyway, the statement failed because X value is less than 20. But in the else if condition, see here, X value should be greater than 10. So I am giving 11. So it's satisfied. But Y value should be less than 50, right? So it should be less than 50. Means it should be 40 or 30 or 20 or 10. It should not be 70, but I am giving 70. So in the OR condition, so in two conditions, if one condition passed, then whole statement will be executed like it's passed. So see here. So I'm adding Z value to the 100. So let us see the output. So Z value is 10. So I'm adding 100. So it should be 110. So see here, it should be 110. So I hope you understand like how to use AND statements and OR statements in Java. So instead AND statements, both the condition should be satisfied. Then only this statement will be executed. In the OR condition, if any of the condition passed, then the statement will be executed. So I hope you got it, how to use the AND conditions and the OR conditions. So if you like this video, please like it, and please subscribe my channel, and please share to your friends. Then they will get benefited from this video. And if you want more videos of mine, please ring the bell icon. So whenever I post on YouTube, you will get the notification. Thank you, friends.